We're at Ponce City Market, and there's a lot of things to eat in here, but I think we'll do a nice little walk through a little bit of this place, just to get an idea. Candy shop in here. $5. Sandwiches. There it is. Nice. All right. Looks crazy. Alright, we got vanilla cream. We got cinnamon crispy crunch. We got some cookies. Wow, they got some pretty interesting flavors here. Salted caramel blueberry cake. Like chocolate chip sea salt. You got the strawberry fields. I don't want to get. Purist. That looks good. These look interesting too. $5 Bakery. Okay, so some of the ingredients that I got are the mini purists. Apparently there's a difference between the purist and the other purist. Apparently one is yeast raised, so I got the one that's apparently just like your croissant based flavor, and that's this one. So both this mini purist and the purist are from croissant based. These are somebody else's donuts, but just wanted to show how it looks in these nice boxes. They got some very nice boxes that they box it with. So I must say, Atlanta is kind of like another foodie paradise. There might be other states that are foodie paradises, but I just swear, like, so far wherever you go, there's just a lot of food spots. Print shop. Of course, you look over, you got downstairs. I think it's 2 floors. Let's see, what is this? Bar vegan. And then their menu. Starters, handhelds, sweets, sides, mains. They got cocktails too, mocktails. So, 2 floors from what I've seen. First floor, all like 99% food. And the second floor, 99%. Well, how about there's one restaurant amongst many retail shops that sell clothing, apparel, accessories. I'll have to like sit here and do like homework and stuff, but super cool though. They got all this stuff here, you know. Apparel for men, apparel for women, you know. So this place is called Pizza Jeans. Pizza Jeans, not my brother. Alright, so thanks to Barstool President, I'm gonna be checking out pizzas like that guy because I love my pizza. And me coming from New York, of course, I like to see what each state has for their own flavor of pizza. So I'm probably gonna start off with this, and I may do this. It is a girl Oh look, they got some two of the greats here. They got Notorious Big. They got Notorious Big and Frank Sinatra over there. So apparently there's a reader on this thing that says the 8 best pizza shops for a New York style slice. With me being a New Yorker, you know, I have my standard of what I think pizza is. So this is gonna be pretty interesting. Okay, so this is obviously outside on the left side if you're coming in to the left. So it looks like they use like kind of like perhaps an old building, factory building of some sort, and then they recreated it as a market. You have buildings, which of course on the bottom floor have retail stores in there. It looks to me like there could be some residential inside on a certain part, but if you look to the right, there's more stores here. You got Levi's, at least I see Sephora. Yeah, so this is the Ponce market. And it looks like they're starting to add in some more areas here, perhaps residential, commercial. Here they are, Atlanta, Georgia.